Hi there, I'm your host, Olivia, and this is The Hot Seat. Today in The Hot Seat, we have Miss Cantrell. Woohoo! Miss Cantrell, are you ready to keep your cool in the hot seat?
I'm ready.
Your time in the hot seat starts now. What was your first job?
I was a receptionist at a hair salon.
What's currently in your fridge?
Almond milk.
What's your favorite smell?
Cinnamon.
What's your greatest personal achievement?
Speaking Spanish fluently.
What scares you the most?
Sharks.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip.
What's your favorite color?
Violet.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
Maldives.
I have a riddle for you. What building has the most stories?
The tallest building?
Who would win in a rock, paper, scissors battle? You or me?
You.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Can you snap?
Yes.
Quick fire question for you. Countryside or city?
Countryside.
Cookies or cake?
Cookies.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Bitter or sweet?
Sweet.
Computer or phone?
Phone.
And that's time. Thank you for coming along today and being such a good sport. Who would you like to nominate next?
I nominate Mr. Tan.
Okay then, Mr. Tan, you're next. Prepare yourself for the hot seat.